Hello friends, welcome to One Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to use ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. So for that, you have to take Arduino board. Then you have to select ultrasonic sensor. Then you have to connect VCC to 5 voltage, ground to ground, and trigger and echo pin to digital pins. So I say connect this. Connecting echo pin to pin 2, then trigger pin to pin 3. Then I have to add one LED for indicating distance. So for that I need one resistor and one LED. I connect this to pin 5. This to ground. Then I have to code the ultrasonic sensor. For that, go to code. Then you have to create a variable for ultrasonic distance. So I have to go to the variable, then create a variable, then enter distance. Then it will create a distance variable and initialization of the distance. So I have to remove this one. Then you have to add this to forever block. Then you have to get input from ultrasonic sensor. For that you have to select this one to this 0 into the 0. So here you have to set trigger pin to 3, echo pin to 2, and distance in centimeter. So then if the distance less than 100 centimeter, LED should glow, otherwise LED will be off. So for that we have to select if statement. So that if else statement, for that go to control. Here only if statement, here is the if else statement. So here at this one, for that you have to enter the less than map value. So for that you have to map. Here is the less than, and into this one. Then this should be the distance. So go to variable, at here distance. So distance should be less than 100 centimeters. So enter the value to 100. Then if the distance less than 100 centimeter, LED should glow. So for that you have to add set pin here. Here pin, our LED pin is 5. So select 5, then it should be high. If else LED should be low. For that, select LED pin and set to low. So we can run the code. Here the distance is 113.4 centimeters, so reduce this. Now it's 86.6 centimeter, LED glowing now. Then increase the distance. Now it's up to 100 centimeter, LED off now. So likewise you can create this ultrasonic code using Tinkercad. So if you want to download the code, go to code, then stop simulation, then go to download. Here you can open the code in Arduino IDE. You can easily use your physical circuit. So here is the code. So likewise you can use the ultrasonic sensor in Tinkercad. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.